Figure it out. Page number 110 and 111. First question. Find all multiples of 40 that lie between 310 and 410. Multiples of 40 that we can write easily by using the table 4. 1 times 4, 2 times 8, 3 times 12, like that way. So multiples of 40 are 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, 320, 360, 400, 440, etc. It's going on. Now that lie between 310 and 410. So between 310, that means after 310. So 320 is coming, 360 is there, 400 and till 410. In between 310 and 410 are the numbers 320. The multiples between 310 and 410 are 320, 360 and 440. These are the three numbers lie between, multiples of 40 lie between 310 and 410. Second question, who am I? First one, I am a number less than 40. One of my factors is 7 and the sum of my digits is 8. So one of my factors is 7. So we have to find out the multiples of 7. Multiples of 7, that means 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Till 35. Next multiple of 7, that is coming 42, that is above 40. Here the condition number less than 40. So we can consider the numbers till 45, multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 are the multiples of 7 which are less than 40. Now second condition, the sum of my digits is 8. Here 7 is a single digit. Sum of the digits in 14, 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 8, 10, 3 plus 5, 8. That is the condition here. Second condition satisfying. The sum of my digits is 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So we can write that is the number is 35. So who am I? We can write. So I am 35. The number is 35. That is one of my factors, that is 7. Sum of the digits is 8 and the number less than 40. All three conditions are satisfying. So the answer is 35. Now the second part of that question, I am a number less than 100. Two of my factors are 3 and 5. Two factors are here given and the number less than 100. So we have to find the common multiple of these two factors 3 and 5. Common multiple, first common multiple of 3 and 5, that is 3 into 5, 15. So common multiples of 3 and 5, which one? First common multiple is 15 and less than 100 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, which are less than 100. So the number would be less than 100 and also common multiple of 3 and 5. Then only these two numbers as the factors we will get. Now next condition, one of my digits is 1 more than the other. Now check the digits of the numbers. 15, 30, 45. Here we can see one digit is just 1 more than the other one. 4 plus 1, 5. So second digit is 1 more than the tens place digit. So we can select the number, that is 45. So one of my digits is 1 more than the other, that is 45. So I am, who am I? So I am 45. Third question, a number for which the sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. Sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number. That type of numbers are called perfect number. Here 28 is a perfect number. Factors of 28, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. When we are adding all this, their sum is coming as 56. That means 2 times of the number 28. Now find a perfect number between 1 and 10. So perfect number between 1 and 10, that is 6. Factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Then sum of factors. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, that is 12. 12 is 2 times of 6, twice of 6. So 6 is a perfect number between 1 and 10. 6 is the answer. Question number 4. Find the common factors of 20 and 28. The first one. 20 and 28. So factors of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, and factors of 28, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. From that, common factors. 1 is common in both the numbers 2 and 4. So common factors are 1, 2, and 4. B, next one, 35 and 50. Factors of 35, 1, 5, 7, 35. To find the factors, already explained here, 35 was to try the number and write all the tables such that to get the product as 35. 1 into 35 is equal to 35. 2 is an odd number, so 2 will not go. 3 also cannot divide by 35. Then next is coming 4 will not go. Then 5. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 6 will not go. The next number already reached here. If you are taking in order, or next number already here 7. After 7, 35 only. So we can take in order U shape. 1, 5, 7, 35 are the factors of 35. Same way we can find the factors of other numbers also. 50. So these are the factors of 50. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. Here common factors. 1 is common and 5 also in both the numbers. So common factors of 35 and 50 are 1 and 5. Next number C1, 4, 8, 12. 3 numbers are there. So factors of 4, 1, 2, 4. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then common factors. 1 is common, 2 and then 4. So the common factors of all these 3 numbers 4, 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. Next one, 5, 15 and 25. Factors of 5, 1 and 5, 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. And factors of 25, 1, 5, 25. Common factors, all these 3 numbers. 1 is common and then 5. So common factors of 5, 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Fifth question, find any 3 numbers that are multiples of 25 but not multiples of 50. So first we can write multiples of 25 and multiples of 50. Multiples of 25, that is 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, etc. It's going on. Multiples of 50 means 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, etc. That's going on. Now the question, any 3 numbers. The numbers that are multiples of 25 but not multiples of 50 are, from here we can see 50 is common. So before that 25 is there, 75, 25, 75, 125, etc. Common numbers no need to take. So here 100 is coming. So in between the numbers, this 150 here, both the numbers, these are the common factors. Here in this question, not the common factors. Multiples of 25 but not multiples of 50. So we can take 25, 75, 125. These are the 3 numbers. It's going on, but here in the question 3 numbers is enough. Question number 6. Anshu and his friends play the Idli Vada game with 2 numbers which are both smaller than 10. The first time anybody says Idli Vada is after the number 50. So the first time they are saying Idli Vada, both the term together, that the after the number 50, which means first time Idli Vada is said the after the number 50. That means the first common multiple of the these 2 numbers, that must be slightly greater than 50. The first common multiple of the numbers must be slightly greater than 50. So we can check the numbers. If you are taking 7, 7 sevens are 49, that is less than 50. So till 7, all the numbers when we are taking, that is less than 50. Now it's after 50. So if we are taking 7 and 8 as the number, 7 into 8 we can write 56. If we are taking 7 and 9, that also below 10. The number is supposed to be below 10. 7 and 9, that is here given, they are smaller than 10. So if we are taking 7 and 9, 7 into 9, that will come 63. Also we can think about 8 and 9. If 8 and 9, then 8 into 9, that is coming 72. Out of this we can see 56 is the smaller number, just after 50, and 7 and 8, both the numbers are less than 10. So we can write the numbers. We have to find what could the two numbers be which are assigned for idli and vada. So we can write, that is, the two numbers could be 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So this can also can come. That means the first common multiple is coming greater than or above 50. But just soon after 50 we are getting, if we are taking 7 and 8 the numbers. So the two numbers are 7 and 8. Multiples of 7, wherever it comes, that he has to say idli, and multiples of 8, it comes vada. He has to say vada, and the common multiple, first common multiple is 56. That time, first time, the child is supposed to say idli vada. Question number 7. In the treasure hunting game, Grumpy has kept treasures on 28 and 70. What jump sizes will land on both the numbers 28 and 70? So first we have to write factors of 28, factors of 70, and common factors. Here 1, 2, 7 and 14 are the common factors of 28 and 70. So these are the jump sizes. So you can write in sentence, the jump sizes which will land on both the numbers 28 and 70 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Question number 8. In the given diagram below, Guna has erased all the numbers except the common multiples. Find out that those numbers could be filled in the missing numbers in the empty regions. So here we can see the common multiple. The smallest common multiple is 24. Common multiples are 24, 48, 72, and the least one is 24. That means the first common multiple of two numbers, that is 24. So first we have to find the factors of 24. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are the factors. And multiples of two numbers, when we are taking 1, we no need to take. So we can cut out that one. Then here 3 pairs are there. 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Here we can see if we are taking 2 and 12, 12 is the first common multiple. 12 is supposed to come first common multiple if the numbers are 2 and 12. But 12 is not here. So this one is not possible. Then 4 and 6. That also 12 is supposed to come as the first common multiple. When we are taking in table 4, 12 is coming. In table 6 also 12 is coming. So 12 is not a common multiple of not a common multiple in the given figure. So that number also, that pair also not possible. Then the remaining is 3 and 8. If we are taking the numbers 3 and 8, first common multiple of 3 and 8, that will come as 24, and that is here given. So we can write the numbers, multiples of the first column that contains 3 and the second column multiples of 8. Then we can fill the numbers here. So multiples of 3 we can write in the first region, empty region, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 27, etc. and here multiples of 8, 8, 16, 32, 40, 56, rest of the numbers here 24 and 48. 40, then 48, 56, 64, etc. Here the highest common multiple is given 72. Question number 9. Find the smallest number that is a multiple of all the numbers from 1 to 10 except 7. And the 10th question also is connected. Find the smallest number that is a multiple of all the numbers from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10 all the numbers, and find the smallest number that is a multiple of all these numbers. Here except 7. So first we have to find the smallest multiple, the least multiple of all these numbers. That means same as the LCM of these numbers. Here the 9th question. The smallest number that is a multiple of all the numbers from 1 to 10 except for 7. The smallest number or a multiple, that means the LCM, least common multiple, first common multiple. For that we have tried the numbers 1 to 10 here, 1 and its factors, 2, solve 1 time, 3 1 time, 4 prime numbers. 4 we know that 2 into 2, 5 is 1 time, 6 is 2 into 3, 8 is 2 cube, 3 times 2. 9 is 3 square, 10 is 2 into 5. And LCM means the product of the highest power of the prime numbers or prime factors. Here 1 no need to take, 2 that the highest power is coming here 2 cube. Here 2 square is there, we have to take the highest one 2 cube, which means 2 cube means 3 2's. Then the highest power of 3, that is coming 3 square. Here 2 times 3, 3 square. Then next number is 5 only here. 2 already we have taken. 1, 2, 3. This all we here 2, 3. 5. Next one is coming 5. 5 here the power is 1. Here also power is 1. So 1 time we are taking here. When we are multiplying, what we are getting, the product of these numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 360. So the smallest number that is a multiple of all the numbers from 1 to 10 except 7 is equal to 360. Now the 10th question including that 7 also. Same way we have to do, and we have to take that 7 also. When we are taking 7, that means here supposed to come that 7. Here 7 factors, that just 1 into 7, that means 7 itself. So we have to multiply this number with 7. Already we got here 360. That 3 times 2, 2 times 3 and 1 5. Till here it was here, and now we are multiplying that answer with 7. We will get 2520. So the smallest number that is a multiple of all the numbers from 1 to 10 is 2520. This is the 10th one answer. Here without that 7, that means 360. LCM of all these numbers from 1 to 10.